Welcome back to my channel. We have a area over there where these planter boxes are. The valve is not shutting down. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up this area here. This is where the diaphragm is, and we're going to see if we have any debris in there. And if we do, we'll just blow it out and we'll be good to go. All right, folks, so we unscrewed this and you can see how it looks in there. You know, the slightest little debris can stop it from closing. See this right here? You just take this off, just peel it right off. And sometimes you don't really see it. So we'll go ahead and wash this off, and then we'll blow it out and we'll see, put it back together. But like I said, sometimes you really don't see it, but it's just like the smallest amount will keep it from shutting down. So we'll go ahead and blow that out. All right, so we'll wash these guys out. It's not like that. A little water there. Wash this guy out. And then I'll show you what I mean by blowing this out. So what we'll do is we'll turn the water on, and then you'll see it come out of here. Okay, so we've turned the water on, and now it's basically cleaning itself out. All right, so we're gonna put this back on there, and you can kind of see the spots where these little pointy, picky things right here. See where it goes in there, same spot. And just get that kind of snaps in there. Okay, and then we get our top part here, and same thing, it's going to go this way. It screws in there. Okay, folks, so we turned the water on and it's not running, but the real test is to get on the timer and get it going that way and see if it's going to want to shut down. Okay. All right, so it's on now. It's running over here now. And we're going to see if it shuts down. All right, so I'm going to advance it to shut it off. And that took care of the problem. Yep, took care of the problem. We'll try one more time just to make sure. This is on a program B, so anyway. You can hear that valve turn on and the water's going on again. And then we're going to shut it down now. And it went off. So that solved the problem. Now I just want to point out first though, is before you take the diaphragm housing off, you want to check the bleeders. This is a bleeder right here. because that will turn it on manually too. And also this right here, just want to make sure it's clockwise, that's tightening it. And then also too here, this is a the solenoid also, you can turn it on manually by, you know. So what happens is sometimes these are not all the way tight, and that can cause the valve to stay on. So we got to make sure these are tight. See, like that. Make sure it's tight like that, and the leader's tight. And so we want to do that first because that's the easiest. And then if that doesn't work, then you open this up and clean that out. And like I said, it's just the littlest little debris, and that will keep it from shutting down. So anyway, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.